Hello guys, you're welcome to Gabriel's Creative Fashion. In this video is going to be a very short briefing on how you can get the cutting of this Danshiki senator top. I'll be using a paper illustration. It's going to be a very short and educative video. Before we move to the tutorial video, kindly click on the subscriber button, also on the notification bell. You get our tutorial update. Thank you. Now first thing, you are going to fold into two, like folding the material into two. Now you mark out your chest measurement. You are going to use chest measurement in cutting this. Hope you can see the line. Then you mark your length accordingly to your desire, how the length you take. Then you add 4 inches at this place. 2 inches will be folded inside. Hope you understand. Now you mark your neckline 2 inches width, 4 inches depth. Then you curve your neckline as shown in the diagram. Now you mark 3 inches as shown at this area the hand is pointing at. You mark 3 inches there. Now you join the line. Hope you can see, you join it from the neckline to that 3 inches you mark out. Now you slant or slope, and either anyone you call it. Hope you can see the slanting line, slanting from the neck down. Then you cut it out. Hope you can see the shoulder slanting. And you still slanting. Now you mark your armhole. You'll be adding 2 inches to the measurement, 2.5 inches to the measurement you get for the armhole. Now you cut it out, including the neckline. You can see I just cut it. Now you open it up, it will look like this. We are almost getting to the final stage. That's it. You can see the front, you can see the back. That's a very simple. If you understand this, it will be very easy for you to cut this Danshiki senator top. Don't forget to drop a comment, and don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial video. Thank you. See you